Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the game modes within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Fall Guys game within your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page where you will see the play button. Now you can tap on the play button to start playing the default game mode, or if you wish to choose a different game mode, you can tap on the control button within your keyboard, or you can also click on change game. Once you click on this, you will see the various different games that are available. You can choose from Knockout, Scrapyard Stumble, or the Explore option. Underneath, you also have the classic games, which has the solo, the duo, and the squad mode. You can also click on the custom games option to host or join within a custom game. Once you click on your desired game mode, your game will start right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the game mode within the Fall Guys game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.